here the new Ryobi ZT3. Oh, there it goes. But you have all these robots. Why not use the robots? Why are you buying a mower? This is why. This guy's RTK keeps getting screwed up. Alright, so here's the worst part of the grass. Let's see how well it cuts. I'm betting this grass is a foot tall and it's wet. It's just solid wet. So let's see. Well, what do you think? See how wet that is? Cut right through it. I'm gonna go a little lower. Can't go any closer. It's so wet out there.
Yeah, the back tires are spinning when you're through there.
No, I almost got it stuck twice.
Yeah. That water is lazy. It's going to rain probably every day next week.
I know.
Yeah,
If I get it stuck, I'm gonna have to get Barry to come pull me out. Alright, so am I giving up on the robots? No, I'm not giving up on the robots. I have 4 of them. There's no way I'm giving up on the robots. But as I've said in my review, you absolutely still need a riding mower. If you live on an acre, you still need a mower, right? So, since I didn't have a mower, I now have one. Yeah, it needs to be charged. It needs to be charged. That's all right, you can bring it back in. It should drive you back in. Yeah, that's fine. So, anyway, I'm not getting out of the robot game. Just adding a tool to my arsenal. That's all. Every now and then, you still got to do things yourself. This is how I do the backyard myself. Alright, I got this thing on eco mode because I only have 30% battery. It's windy today, so hopefully you can still hear me. We'll just see how far I can go in eco mode. the external mics any better. I got the external mic inside my shirt, so maybe the wind won't hurt it as bad. Hit that tree. Well, that's about it for this one. To wrap things up, no, I'm not getting rid of the robots. Yes, I still need a mower. And yes, it's still going to be difficult to mow this backyard. We did, if you notice, my father-in-law did, and I did put some dirt around the sprinkler head. We also replaced the sprinkler head with a taller one, and it only goes 180, so it's only shooting to the south. So if you notice there, it's taller, and then we put a bunch of dirt in there. Then we're going to add a bunch more dirt to it because that dirt keeps getting pushed down by all the rain and everything. So we got about 10 more bags of soil to put. If you made it this far in the video, I appreciate it. We will catch you on the next one. Thanks.